Did you know that Japan has a mysterious mirror cave that perfectly reflects the surrounding landscape, making it seem like the world is mirrored? Located in the Japanese countryside, this bizarre phenomenon has been observed for centuries. The mirror cave is a natural limestone cave that has been eroded into a perfect rectangular shape. Its walls are incredibly smooth, creating a flawless reflection of the surrounding landscape. Visitors to the cave are often left stunned, unsure of what to make of this natural wonder. As you step inside, the world outside seems to fade away, leaving only an eerie, mirrored landscape. But that's not the strangest part. The cave's reflection even appears to shift and change color depending on the time of day. This occurs due to the unique combination of the cave's shape and the surrounding environment. Scientists believe that the cave's mirror-like effect is caused by the way light behaves when it hits the smooth walls. Imagine a perfect, invisible mirror. That's essentially what the mirror cave is. But wait, until you hear what comes next. The cave's mirrored effect is not just limited to the walls. The cave's floor and ceiling also seem to reflect the surrounding environment, creating an otherworldly experience. It's like stepping into a surreal, parallel world, one that's both fascinating and unsettling. This phenomenon occurs when the conditions are just right, creating a truly unique and breathtaking experience. For centuries, people have been drawn to this natural wonder, seeking to understand its secrets. The mirror cave is a testament to the incredible beauty and mystery of the natural world. As you explore the cave, you begin to appreciate the intricate details that make it so unique. From the way the light dances across the walls to the eerie sounds that echo through the space. But that's not the strangest part. The cave's mirrored effect has also been linked to a number of unusual legends and myths. Some believe that the cave holds spiritual significance, while others claim that it's home to supernatural entities. These stories add to the cave's mystique, making it a place of both wonder and awe. The mirror cave is a reminder that there's still so much we don't know about the world around us. As we continue to explore and learn, we're constantly reminded of the beauty and mystery of the natural world. So the next time you find yourself in the Japanese countryside, be sure to visit the mirror cave. You never know what secrets you might uncover, or what mysteries you might uncover. The mirror cave is a place of endless fascination, a true natural wonder. And if you're as captivated by this phenomenon as I am, be sure to subscribe for more incredible stories like this. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of fascinating content, all carefully curated to inspire and delight. So hit that subscribe button and join our journey of discovery. And don't forget to like and comment below. Your input and engagement are invaluable to us and help us create content that's truly relevant and engaging. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious. And remember, the world is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, so keep looking and never stop wondering. The mirror cave is just one example of the incredible natural wonders that await us. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, our planet is full of secrets and surprises. So let's continue to explore, learn, and discover, and always keep a sense of wonder and awe. For it's in the unknown that we find the greatest joys and the most profound discoveries. And with that, I bid you farewell until next time, when we'll explore another incredible natural wonder. Until then, stay curious and keep looking up. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and don't forget to like and comment below.